How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing free app to your Firestick, which you can set up pretty easily. So the first step will be getting the app code downloader to your Firestick, and you can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in your search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and there's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. To do so, we'll need to go to settings. So let's do that right now. We click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it up, and now here, what you need to do is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. And now let's open developer options, go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is. We open that up, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you would just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Australia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, open it up, and finally go to downloader. So open the downloader on your Fire TV Stick, and now what you have to do in here is open the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 307,888. So once again, the code will be 307,888. That's the code you have to enter, and make sure not to make any mistakes. Then click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually takes only a couple of seconds to download the app, and then click install, and make sure that the app gets installed to your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. And this way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you will open it up, and there at the bottom you'll find the app which we just installed. So now first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and anonymous online when using such apps. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.